All right, looking to install my exhaust hanger. And this is on the rear left side. I think a previous video I showed you guys I already installed the one on the rear right side. Okay, and then now I've got the other one here. So I bought that one and then this one used. I was able to find a guy who had a bunch of extra parts, and I got a hold of the hangers. This one here was particularly hard to find, but I cleaned it up. It's been a while. It's kind of starting to kind of rust over just a little bit. You can kind of see it. So I'll get a little bit of cleaning before I do a final install, and you can see a little bit of wear on it, but it's pretty thick and decent condition. The rubber's in decent condition. The only thing I cannot find anywhere is the bracket that attaches to the frame. So there's the hanger right there. It goes down and curves down, and then right there's the exhaust pipe, and it straps to it. And then this piece here is the hanger that I cannot find. So I did make attempts to make one. This is it right here. But it's not wide enough. Okay, it moves around way too much. It's half the width that I need. So I was able to get another piece of metal like that, and so that is the perfect width, and then it'll fit nice and snug right in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this cleaned up and then and bend it to fit that size there. So I got the whole location right in this one here, so I'll transfer the holes over, and then looks of it comes down at a 90 down and then over again, and from the looks of it has some type of hump in the center. I'm not going to do that, but I'll do these bends, I'll grind it, get a nice round nose to it, clean it up, and go from there. And then for the install, again, it's on the back left. I think, and then, right there. These two holes here. Okay, they're in there. So these bolts broke off, so I had to re-drill them. So that's why they look nice and shiny in the location, because I had to rethread those and drill them out. A reminder, this is a single exhaust. So if you have a dual exhaust, it's different. The dual exhaust takes advantage of these and more of these. I think there's one of these on both sides and a different hanger. So there's actually a kit you can get for the dual exhaust. Single exhaust is nowhere to find anywhere. So I had to track down the parts. So I'm going to get working on this and go from there. All right, get the first bend in. So then the other bend, you want to make sure you have clearance, because okay, so you got that gap. So here's your frame of the car. So you want to make sure that it has enough clearance. So our bend, plus it's going to move around, so it's gonna. You want it to come down that distance, because this end bolts to the car like that. Okay. So I'd say right about my finger is about the good distance we need. Maybe a good, I'd say 3/4 inch or 1/2 inch between the bracket. All right, there we go. So it's going to sit at that level. So we've got, we've got the bolt that comes down where my finger is. So it needs enough room for this thing to be moving around and not bump up against the top. So that's probably good. And then our length, so we need to cut off. So based on the drawing, it's really hard to see the exact length. So I think it's almost about 1.5 times, maybe 1 3/4 the length of this top part here. right, so I'm going to go about 3 inches. So what I'll do is I'll around this edge here, around the front edge here, and then I have this bent up just slightly. And then I don't know how that nut does not slide off, so I may put that bend in at the end like I did here. We'll see how it goes when I'm done. All right, there we go. So I will drill the holes and get this cleaned up and kind of go from there. All right, there we go. Cleaned up. There we go. The hole's in there. This is all cleaned up. All right, let's get this sucker installed. Like I said, like I showed you before, you just got this two bolts, and then goes up in the corner. So I'll do that real quick. All right, there we go. So I've got it bolted up. And again, so the exhaust, it comes from the front. It goes over the axle and then back down right about here. And that's what this is for. So this holds it as it goes past. That should be nice and snug. Okay. But again, I want to have that good enough distance. Your finger, because this thing moves around on you. So you don't want to make this part too short. Otherwise, you don't have that clearance for this thing to move on a little bit, and plus you can't even get it on either. So, you know, I have about finger width is probably good. I mean, it's not going to move around this much, very little, but it works. It's stiff. The one I had before was just terrible. So, all right, man, and that's it. So I got the other one on there. And there's my exhaust stops right there. And when I'm ready to get my exhaust in, I'll probably have to end up hiring somebody else to do that. I can drive it. That's it, man. Thanks.